Alright, next video. Playing horror games in haunted locations by Gunscreen.
I play loads of horror games on my channel, all of which scare the actual hell out of me. But you know what would make them much scarier? Playing them in scary locations. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. I have found
Yeah, I feel like most people just turn the lights off, and that's kind of good enough for them. But if you need to go that extra mile, I understand.
4 horror games, and I'm going to play them in the locations where they actually take place. And I'm going to play and rank them based on
That's a
how
cool
much
idea.
they scared me. The tiers that I'm going to be using to rank these games are had to go home and clear my head, made me tweak the hell out, scared the shit out of me, not too bad, and piece of cake. Shout out to Omen for making this video possible.
Okay.
Don't Scream. So we're starting off playing Don't Scream. Does anybody have any guesses where I could be playing this super fun game? Any guesses?
Woods.
Anybody?
If you said the middle of the forest at night, you'd be right.
So I brought a foldable table, a little chair, and a backpack with a camera and the Omen Max 16 in it. That's all. To quite literally the middle of the woods. I loaded into this game and some text popped up on my screen saying, I awake shivering in some
Oh, that'd be terrifying. I don't think I could. I don't think I could handle that.
kind
I
of
can't do it
outpost.
here.
The
with
air is
lights on.
bitterly cold. I can't remember how I got here, but I have to get out.
I'm gonna keep it a stack here, guys. I'm really fucking scared right now. I can't talk too loud. That's funny. This is like exactly where I am.
The whole premise of this game is not to scream, hence the name. All you have to
Immersive.
do is survive for 8 minutes. But knowing my past, we all know how hard this is going to be for me.
There are so many noises in the game and in real life. Anybody home? What does that mean?
I was terrified right when I started the game. Like, can we acknowledge that I'm literally in the middle of the woods playing a horror game? Thank you. What the fuck? A bear? A bear can attack?
Bro, usually like you're at home and that happens and you're like, oh fuck, a bear killed me. But that can't actually happen. There could actually be a bear, you know, if he's actually out in the forest.
Attack me in this? Alright, restart. I just killed a mosquito. Nothing in this game can hurt you, but things around you can.
The noises in this game blended with real life. I genuinely couldn't tell what was playing through my headphones and what was happening around me.
What in the f did I just find? What is this, like a gate to hell? Why did I do that? Oh no! Damn it! I need to shut the f up when playing this game.
My dumbass talked too loud, so I started the third run.
There's ever a time in your life you want? It's now. Bug just landed on me.
I have to skip a little bit. I want to see the next like location pretty much.
Oh! That's so unfair! I'm getting the f out of these woods.
8 minutes and 7 seconds. That's how long I lasted that time. And
No, that's it, bro. Oh man, I don't know. I think I could last longer than that. I mean, if I'm out there already doing it, I'm just gonna finish. I'm gonna lock in and we're gonna get it done. Like 8 minutes? Oh my god, bro, you tap the fuck out.
And you guys are probably thinking, oh, why didn't you win? You just had to survive for 8 minutes, right? Apparently, I wasn't allowed to sit still. I sat still a few times for probably no more than 5 seconds, and that single-handedly butchered my time. Obviously, if you couldn't tell, there's no way I was going to do a 4th run, so I packed up all my shit and
Oh, I thought he was saying he was there for literally 8 minutes. Never mind. Just kidding. I take that all back.
got out of there as fast as I could. I also heard a lot of rustling behind me. Probably just squirrels. I don't know. I'm still here, so we're fine. We're starting off pretty strong. I'm going to put it in the had to go home and clear my head tier. Sweet 776. This next location was actually insane. I found a random listing online. I don't even remember where, and it was just an abandoned house that somebody owned. So Omen helped me out, and we rented it for like 200 bucks. And then me and a few of my friends hopped in some random dude's truck and drove us 1.5 miles up this long road with crack houses all around.
Okay, dude, this is just going too far. I feel like this is just going too far.
Us. I'm not even kidding, dude. This guy driving had so many stories. He was like, yeah, I got attacked by 4 kick in on where the fuck I was and what I was doing.
my gosh, bro.
I also feel like I should mention this. All of my friends ditched me. They were like, yo, you're playing this game on your own. And then they left. So I did.
Okay. Yeah, this is lengthy. Like, I feel like I kind of understand the concept. Like, it really doesn't change
I don't even
that
know how the
much.
hell to beat this game. I'm gonna keep it a stack here. I'm not f***ing beating it. I'm dipping in about 5 minutes. Oh my. Oh my god, there's a bee flying in front of me. What the hell? I'm not even trolling. Do you see that? Probably just attracted to the Omen Max 16.
Super fast. This video was clearly.
Okay. Yeah, and then he's going to talk about the sponsor thing for too long. All right. That was anticlimactic. That was cool though, I guess. Cool idea. Little long for 18 minutes, I think. But yeah, no, that was good. Not too bad. I'm gonna give it the like because he literally went out to the forest to play video games. So, good job, dude. Next video.
Core i3.
Ooh, dude, I'm so